Santa Monica. Wow. Baby Kai. Pareho tayo ng van, no? No. Oh, bakit?
Bakit? Bigyan na, oy, lolo, ba't si Trixie daw walang coins?
Ah, coins. Okay, lolo, bigyan mo daw.
Just got the coin on the street. And just make ulot.
Lagot ka.
Oh.
Dami rin gamit.
Daming bata. Parang ano, Fiesta Carnival. Santa Monica Beach. I love it. I love it.
We are not part of the industry.
Ay, ang lakas ng alon, no? Oh, no, di. Lakas ng alon. There's hot dog. You want a hot dog? You want hot dog? Ay, gusto daw niya hot dog. Ang lakas ang alon.
Wala pa pala.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman na ako. Hindi, joke lang.
Yung gamit natin. Asan na sila? Sunset na. Buti pumayag si Gabe ng ano. Gabe, go! Wow!
Again, Gabe. One last one.
Ha, baka tukain yung bibig mo, Dada. Bigay mo na lang.
Throw it.
Ah, tukain yung... Tutukain. I don't know. Oh. Good job, Kuya. Oh, you eat na. You eat. Don't give it to the bird. He didn't eat it. Again.
Kayo dito.
Yung asawa mo parang hindi giniginaw. Oo nga. Sweet Dada.
Trixie will say hi to the princess and say she's already through. And they're gonna hug and picture.
No, do you say auntie to?
Not working.
Lapit na tayo.
Anong not working?
Washroom.
Malapit na tayo, Lolo. Kaya mo pa ba?
Okay.
Kaya
Huwag mo na lang isipin. Isang kanto naman. Or gusto mo sa bote?
Ayaw, madami tayong bote. Doon ka sa likod. Lolo, wait lang. Wait lang, Lolo. Paano ba ito? Hindi ko
Mommy, natapon yung fries.
Ay, hindi. We will put it back. Don't worry.
Good night.
Lolo Rod. Oh, you say good morning to, Lolo, KB. Good morning. And Lola Mayan. Oy, KB, it's your turn. Good morning. It's your turn, baby.
It's my turn.
No! So say good morning. You look at Lola. Ayaw mo na naman. Again. Trixie. Oh, careful You say good morning everybody. You hold ka. Hold. O mahulog kayong dalawa dyan. Gaby. Oo, mahuhulog. Andiyan na yung mainit mong tubig. Oh, let's go. Let's go inside. It's cold, Trixie. Come on. Yes. Go inside. It's cold. So cold.